engineering acumen, so we don't need to replicate that at NOAA. And NOAA takes the umbrella and enveloping responsibility for overall project management and funding support, and then for the execution of what we actually consider the mission, which is everything from when the ones and zeros come back to Earth to where the actionable information reaches society. That in NOAA land, that's the actual mission.
Closures. Copy.
This is Discover launch control at T-minus 2 hours, 8 minutes, 28 seconds and counting. Everything continues on track for an on-time liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket carrying Discover into space. As we get closer to launch, you'll begin to hear some of the communication traffic, and some of the voices that you'll hear include SpaceX Launch Director Ricky Lim, Launch Conductor for SpaceX Ty Morton, and the SpaceX Chief Engineer John Murator. And for Discover, the Spacecraft Mission Director is Bob Smith, Spacecraft Test Director is Tracy Meyer, and the Launch Vehicle Systems Engineer Jonathan Fulford. They are sort of the tip of the spear for teams across the country who are monitoring systems for both the rocket and the Discover spacecraft. Discover, which formerly was known as Triana, originally was conceived in the late 1990s as a NASA Earth science mission that would provide a near continuous view of Earth and measure Earth's albedo. In 2001, Triana was canceled and the satellite went into storage in a clean room monitored by NASA. NOAA funded NASA to remove Discover from storage and test it in 2008, and that same year the Committee on Space Environmental Sensor Mitigation Options, an interagency assessment requested by the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy, determined that Discover was the optimal solution for meeting NOAA and the U.S. Air Force space weather requirements. As we've been saying, NOAA is responsible for the Discover mission, providing program management, spacecraft operation, and distribution of all